In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your subscriptions in Hostinger. If you want to quickly review which Hostinger services are currently active on your account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is especially helpful if you want to confirm what plan you're using, keep track of renewals, or just make sure everything in your account is organized properly. To begin, go ahead and open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the main layout. Hostinger keeps most account settings in easy-to-find sections, so even if you're new to the platform, this should be straightforward. After logging in, look for your profile area. This is usually where you can access personal account settings, payment details, and other account-related options. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This is the section that gives you access to the administrative side of your account, rather than your websites or hosting tools. From there, click on Billing. The Billing section is where Hostinger organizes payment-related information, including purchases, invoices, and subscription details. If you've ever needed to check what services you're paying for, this is the area you'll want to remember. Once you're in Billing, simply click on Subscription. In some cases, this section may be labeled slightly differently depending on interface updates, but it will still be related to your active plans and billing status. This is the page where Hostinger shows the subscriptions connected to your account. When you arrive there, you'll be able to see your active subscriptions. This is where you can review the services that are currently running on your account. For example, you may see your hosting plan or other paid services listed there. This page is useful because it gives you a clear overview of what is active, helping you stay informed about your account. As a quick tip, when reviewing this page, it's a good idea to look carefully at the subscription names and status, so you understand exactly which services are active. That can be helpful if you manage more than one website, or if you've purchased multiple plans over time. And that's it. That's how to check your subscriptions in Hostinger. Once you know where to find the billing and subscription sections, it becomes very easy to review your active services anytime you need.